Uh-oh, he's going pee-pee. Good boy. That's a good boy. Hi. What's her name, Maggie?
Yeah.
Maggie. That's your new name. What do you call Potato? What's his other name?
Tucker.
Tucker. Hi, Tucker. Potato. Hello, Potato. Hello, Potato. He's a silly boy. You're so fluffy and pretty. Potato. Maggie. What are you doing? Hey. Give him your face. Give him your face.
Face?
Yeah, you
With
kiss
my
him.
hair?
Yeah, because he loves your face. Give him kisses.
Potato! Ow! You bit my face.
Tucker! Tucker, Tucker! Hi! Tucker! Hello, cutie! Tucker and Maggie. Yes, you're just a silly little Jumpy. His name should be Jumpy. Jumpy! Hey! Hey, mister! What are you doing?